Welcome to everyone. I'm Chacko from Galaxy 3B of Chavara International Academy. Let me speak a few words about my hobby. A hobby is a recreation of our pastime. Something we do in our leisure moment is called a hobby. Our hobby gives us a lot of pleasure and knowledge. Each one must have a hobby. There are many kinds of hobbies like reading, drawing, painting, swimming, and so on. My hobby is bird watching. Look at the birds around us. What a beautiful sight! Haven't you ever thought of flying like a bird in the sky? The common birds around us are so wonderful. Watching them gives us long-standing entertainment. Rise up early in the morning and hear the various types of sounds made by different birds. Their beautiful feathers, amazing wings, and all parts of their body make us wonder. Start from the smallest bird, sunbird, with its long beak, collecting nectar from the flowers, the common crows, pigeons, sparrows, doves, the fish-catching kingfishers, the parakeets, the large albatross, and so many. Each bird has its own particular pattern of behavior. Have you seen the parrots opening out the ripe rambutan fruits using their two legs and red beak? So skillfully. Dear friends, start watching birds. Then you will realize the enchanting beauty of our nature and the Creator. Thank you and have a fantastic day.